The camera's light meter is an essential tool for achieving proper exposure in photography. Much like a thermometer measures temperature, the light meter gauges the amount of light in a scene. By providing a numerical or visual reading, it helps photographers determine whether an image will be too bright, too dark, or just right. This guidance allows users to adjust settings such as aperture, shutter speed, and ISO to capture a well-balanced photograph. Understanding how to interpret and respond to the light meter's feedback is a fundamental skill for anyone looking to improve their photography results. A camera's light meter is designed to measure the amount of light entering through the lens. It provides a reading, often displayed as a needle or digital indicator, which helps photographers determine the correct exposure settings. When the needle points to 0, it means the camera has calculated a balanced exposure based on the current lighting conditions. This 0 reading suggests that the combination of aperture, shutter speed, and ISO will result in an image that is neither too bright nor too dark. If the needle moves above or below 0, it indicates overexposure or underexposure, respectively. Achieving a 0 reading is important because it helps ensure that your photos capture accurate detail and color. By following the meter's guidance, photographers can avoid common exposure mistakes and produce consistently well-lit images. To achieve correct exposure, start by setting your camera to manual mode. Look through the viewfinder and observe the exposure meter, which displays a needle or indicator. Begin by adjusting the ISO to match your lighting conditions. Lower ISO values are ideal for bright environments, while higher values suit dimmer scenes. Next, set your aperture by choosing a lower f-stop for more light or a higher f-stop for less. Finally, adjust the shutter speed, making it slower to allow more light or faster to reduce light. As you make these changes, watch the meter needle move. Your goal is to balance these settings until the needle points to 0, indicating a properly exposed image. Exposure issues are a frequent challenge for photographers, but understanding your camera's light meter can help you achieve better results. In bright sunlight, the meter may underexpose your image, so consider increasing exposure compensation. Conversely, in low light or when shooting scenes with lots of shadows, the meter might overexpose, causing loss of detail in highlights. Pay attention to how reflective surfaces, backlighting, or mixed lighting can trick the meter into inaccurate readings. If your photos appear too dark or too bright, try bracketing exposures or manually adjusting your settings. Reviewing your histogram can also provide valuable feedback about the balance of light in your shot. With practice, you'll learn to anticipate how different lighting conditions affect your meter and make quick adjustments for optimal exposure. This section introduces a printable cheat sheet designed to streamline the process of matching the meter in manual mode. The cheat sheet condenses key steps and guidelines into an easy-to-reference format, making it simple to follow along during practice or production. By organizing essential information in a clear layout, users can quickly verify their progress and ensure accuracy. Whether you're new to manual mode or looking for a reliable reminder, this resource helps maintain consistency and confidence throughout the workflow.